Good morning! Good morning guys and welcome to my daily vlog today. Today is our last day here in Business Bay. So unfortunately, we need to move somewhere malapit po sa trabaho ko. So it's a walking distance na lang. So tingnan natin kung anong kaguluhang mangyayari maya. Okay, so grocery time muna. My God, my voice. Ganun pa rin, obvious pa rin talagang may sakit ako. Mamimili na ng konting pang-agahan kasi mga after lunch saka kami maglilipat ng gamit. Wow, we're having payong. Napakakulay naman yan. Ang hirap ng walang sasakyan. You really have to walk. Wow.
May mga bato-bato man dito. Naging pino lang ito.
Ang init, hindi kaya mga nasa 49 temperature ngayon? Wow, mamimiss ko yung Burj Khalifa na to. Lalayo na ako sa'yo. Okay, ngayon guys, budget namin 50 lang. Ano kaya maulam sa halagang 50? O yung 50, 500 plus na yun sa Pilipinas.
Ilang araw na sa Pilipinas. Ay, 5 araw ko na yun.
Okay.
Siyempre meron naman.
Okay, bibili muna ng makakain. Wow, apple. Grabe sarap ng kabaw. Puro nectarine. Ooh, order niyan.
Or, ang binutilipat na lang.
Anong ka? Oo. Akala mo alak ko. Pero malt drink lang yan. So, yan. Hello po Ate Connie. First exposure. Kung kailan naman nakita ka sa video, maghihiwalay na tayo. Tingnan ang tangkad ko, napakalit po niyang babae. Grabe, sobrang liit po niya. Layas sa kanya. So ito na yung mga kagamitan. And ready to go. Grabe, pang-6 na lipat ko na to. At ayoko nang lumipat ulit. Namimiss ko yung buhay ko dati sa Algoces. Inabot ako ng 4 years doon. Ay! Okay. Okay guys, so ito, we're cooking adobo. Ayun, good for how many days na yan? Kasi syempre bagong lipat sa bahay na lilipatan namin mamaya. So nag-ready na ako ng good for how many eating. Para kasi of course, bagong adjustment, hindi ko alam kung, di ba, kung masikip ba ang kusina doon mamaya, kung makakapagluto pa. Pero at least sure, ang adobo, dinamihan ko na para kahit inabot man ng 2 days, masarap pa rin. Okay, and isingit ko muna to. I will share yung, I conducted kasi training kahapon, yung how to handle customer complaint. And i-share ko yung ilang mga videos nung, kasi nagpa-roleplay ako sa mga staff namin. So masaya. Share ko ngayon.
Excuse me? You're the one who served me this? Are you the one who served the almost with here? We are in Dubai. Is it strictly prohibited to serve food with hair? Just wait, I'm still speaking. I want to speak to the manager. Where's your manager? I call your manager here.
Sorry, sir.
Check the food. Excuse me, I said check, don't take. Your food served with him. We are in Dubai. If I will call Dubai municipality and you're serving food with there, what will happen to your store? Excuse me. You don't want to give any solution. And then, you don't want to say something to me?
Very good.
For what?
Try to be do my best.
That's how can you serve this food?
Call Baladia.
I will call Baladia now. If you will not replace this, I will call Baladia now.
I will do an application to solve this problem for you, and I will make you.
Halas. Halas.
Complimentary.
Just 1 minute, okay?
Halas, replace it. I don't like it. Very bad food.
Complimentary.
Okay. Next.
Oh, manager ka. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me, please. Excuse me, we're almost here for about half an hour, and I was calling these two guys, and it seems that they can't hear anything.
I'm sorry for that, madam.
We came all along from Abu Dhabi. That's
Grabe, pagod na pagod ako kahapon. I think yung duty ko was 16 hours. From 1 p.m. until 4 a.m. Grabe, alas mamatay-matay ako sa pagod. Pero sa'yo ng training, actually na-miss ko talaga yung mag-ganong training kasi. Yun, so... Gusto ko pang matulog. Lilipat kami sa villa. So makikita nyo ngayon ang buhay ng nakatira sa villa. Okay? So abangan nyo yun tomorrow. Baka mas probably, hindi ko actually guys sure kung makakapag-vlog pa ako yung katulad ng mga nakasanayan yung napapanood sa akin. Pero kasi this time, mas mura kasi ng konti yung bahay na lilipatan namin. So, mas makakapag-ipon ako para mas maraming maiipong pera pag uwi sa Pilipinas next year.